This is all very exciting. Boats everywhere.
Well, do you?
I could 1,000,000% do my vlogs here.
You could ask yourself a question. Do I feel lucky?
Just so you know, when you come to a boat show, wear thongs, not shoes. Okay, I got paella from the Paella Man. It's from Brazil. I got all this footage, and then something that annoys me about Apple is that whole deleting. You're able to erase data from the SD card. Oh, shit. You're able to erase your SD card from the device, and that's what I've done. Super annoying. But at least I didn't lose the footage from the Rapture boat, which is super important. And I'm still here, so I'll still go get more. I needed to have a lunch break. Super awesome too. If you haven't had paella, get it. So, gonna keep exploring. Got a few good photos. How's that mirror guy? Awesome. Alright.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light.
Right, well that's us wrapping up the boat show for 2018. It's pretty good. It's a lot of boats. The Rapture boat, wow, awesome.